Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Once you've changed your Google account password, it will automatically be updated for all Google services, including Google Play Store. Okay, you will need to use your new password the next time you sign into the Play Store or any other Google services. Well, first thing first, you have to go to profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, after that, here you can select Google account. And here, please use personal information. Then, please scroll down and select password. Okay, before changing your email password, you will be asked to enter your old password. If so, please click Next. Then enter your new password. And confirm your new password. Okay, after that, click the change password and wait a minute. Okay, so now Google Play Store account password on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.